MBBS students and NEET PG aspirants. We have all-in-one platform to help you in your preparation. DigiNerve, an EdTech initiative by JP Brothers, crafted by India's leading faculty like Dr. Archit Balu, Dr. Apurva Shastri, Dr. Anshuman, Dr. Raj Koila, and many more to shape your medical journey. Let's walk through our mobile app and one of our best-selling courses, DigiNeet. Once you open the app, you will first see Question of the Day to test your knowledge daily. With continued learning, you can resume your last watched video based on your recent activity. The app lists down the recommended video based on your interest. You will also find a dedicated Got Doubt section. Here, you will find Ask the Expert, where you can post your doubts and receive a detailed response from top faculty within 24 hours. Join forums to connect with peers, explore expert answer threads, and be the part of an active learning community. GEMS, your go-to high-yield flashcards for quick recall and last-minute revision. And the Drug Chart, a comprehensive, easy-to-browse drug reference section with all the drug names that consist of indications, dosage, pharmacology, and more. You can also find drug class, which has each drug reference alphabetically, and conditions segment to search for drug based on disease. And yes, hit the share button to invite friends and unlock exclusive discount for both of you. At the bottom of the screen is your main navigation hub, guiding you to everything you need. In the videos, you can master all 19 subjects through concept-based lecture videos. Access downloads and favorites right at the top. The quick revision segment has a short videos for last minute quick revision and exam preparation. And in the PYQ lectures, you can access all the previous year lecture videos 2021 onwards. It also allows you to search by your subject or keyword to focus on your review. Now, when you tap on any subject and you can check all the video lectures topic-wise. Switch between downloaded or completed videos. Once you pick any topic and start a video, you will find the index to jump to key topics and lecture notes for effective revision. Below, you can find references, like a topic for faster access. Next is the question bank section that covers all 19 subjects and break them into topics. Each set is tagged as free, completed, or unattempted so you can easily track your progress. Want to focus on specific areas? Use the custom question bank option. Select one or more courses, then choose individual modules. You can then set the difficulty level, then choose the mode of questions. Select tags for focus areas such as image-based, PYQs, clinical skills, and more. And then decide how many questions to practice. After answering the question, you get an instant result and an explanation just below it. After every test, you get an option to review and analyze your performance. Amazing, isn't it? Now, as we are talking about questions, let's hop on to the next section, test series. Here, you challenge yourself with mini tests, subject tests, and grand tests across 3 levels: easy, moderate, and hard. After every test, deep dive into performance with advanced review and analysis tools. The next feature is the OSCE, a section designed to assist in practical exams. Here, you can practice clinically structured questions designed to sharpen diagnostic and reasoning skills. Each set ends with clear, expert explanations to strengthen your concepts. Last but not the least, our Dr. Wise AI chatbot, the multilingual AI learning assistant trained with JP medical textbooks, journals, and real references. You can ask anything, take quizzes, view notes, do comparisons, create flashcards, explore case scenarios, create mind maps, or even search medical image. DigiNeet is backed by JP's teaching legacy, trusted by over 150,000 plus medical students across the globe. Explore it your way, download now.